sa lahat, thank you. At minta kayo po yan ng aldongay ni it's a very important day po sa akin dahil hindi lang yung birthday ko, sineselebrate ko today. It's like a Thanksgiving para sa akin. Because maybe 30 years ago, I did not expect na makakarating ako sa position na ito ngayon.
Masaya kasi hindi naman lahat, lalo sa panahon ngayon, hindi naman umabot sa 50. Tsaka yun, lagi namin pinagpe-pray yung health niya. Tsaka mag-for good na rin siya dito.
Wala akong masabi. Bayat, hindi man siya kumikibo pero para sa akin yung pag-aalaga niya sa mga anak ko, sa asawa ko, sobra-sobra.
She's very sentimental. She's sensitive, emotional, but when she loves deeply, she loves truly. She's that kind of person. She's quiet, but when she loves, she gives it her all. Ganon si Mary Ann.
Happy birthday, Ma. Sana mas matagal pa na buhay ang ibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. And of course, sana enjoy mo itong birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ma! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ma! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ma! We love you!
Sobrang strong niya. Kahit na hindi niya sabihin, kahit nasa malayo siya, alam namin na nalulungkot siya, nagpapakatatag lang siya dahil sa aming mga mahal niya.
Flowers growing wild and green, digging nails into the dirt, then you find the seeds. They're singing, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Ooh, you know I can't stop, baby, I've been paralyzed by fear. But whenever you are near, I feel like I can live forever. I feel like I can live forever.
Happy birthday po, Ma. I love you. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, tita. Wish ko sa'yo, enjoy mo na yung life mo. Thank you sa mga sacrifice.
Singing, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Took me through the pages of your history.
Happy birthday, Ma! Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo. And yun, happy birthday ulit. We love you!
Are we there yet?
Wish ko po, sana po, patuloy po siyang ginagabayan ni Lord. Sana may lagi pong nagmamahal sa kanya. And sana po good health.
But whenever you are near, I feel like
Happy birthday. Don't think of anxiety and whatever problems comes ahead. Just enjoy life and enjoy your having grandkids.
Happy birthday, Ma. Kai.
Mga gaya.
Aliyawis kaya, prayer. Ito, kumaba ka pa biyan pong tangya ka sasakit, mga yan. Magkain na for good kaya ni. Si Chuka Broad masaitang karing ka magkakaya lang kayabi. Kakaya ko pa na ito, kumaba ka pa biya. Diyan na ka pang second Lord.
it took some time, but now it's starting to flow. Baby, I've been paralyzed by fear.
Ma, happy birthday. Ako man maralas sabihan hindi kaya personal pero palagi ko pangandigin babo na gangin na para ako, para naging kayong pamilya ko, especially ikaw. Sana di na nakapaninga pong kinong makapambi at masikan ng pangangatawan.